Hey everyone, if you're running a busy restaurant, bar, or cafe and need ice fast without the hassle, this commercial ice maker head might be exactly what you're looking for. I know how frustrating it can be to constantly refill ice bins or deal with machines that can't keep up during peak hours. So today, I'm going to show you whether this 800-pound per day ice maker head actually delivers on its promises. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let me say that this isn't your typical countertop ice maker. This is a commercial-grade machine designed to handle high-volume demands. The head unit itself is built to attach to a separate water reservoir or bin, which you'll need to purchase separately. That might seem like an extra step, but it actually gives you more flexibility in how and where you set it up. The machine churns out up to 800 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is seriously impressive for a unit this size. I tested it in a small cafe setting, and even during lunch rushes, it kept up without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is the smart LCD control panel. It's straightforward to use, just set your ice size preference, and the machine does the rest. You can adjust everything from cube size to harvest cycles, which is super handy if you need different types of ice for drinks or displays. The self-cleaning function is a game saver too. Instead of manually scrubbing the machine every week, you just run a cleaning cycle, and it takes care of the rest. I tested this after a few weeks of use, and the interior was spotless with minimal effort on my part. Energy efficiency is another big plus. This machine is ETL, DOE, and CEC certified, meaning it meets strict US energy standards. In my testing, it didn't spike the electricity bill even during long production runs. That's a relief for any business owner watching their overhead costs. Plus, the stainless steel construction feels durable and professional, which is exactly what you want in a commercial setting. It's built to last, and the brushed finish resists fingerprints and smudges, so it always looks clean and presentable. Now, let's talk about the timer feature. You can set a 48-hour timer to pre-program ice production based on your business hours. So if you know you'll need more ice on weekends, you can schedule it to ramp up automatically. That's a small but really useful feature for planning ahead. I also appreciated the quiet operation. Even when running at full capacity, the noise level was low enough that it didn't disrupt conversations in the cafe. That's a big deal if you're placing it near customer areas. Of course, no machine is perfect. Since this is just the head unit, you'll need to buy a separate water reservoir or bin, which adds to the overall cost. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Also, installation might require some plumbing adjustments depending on your setup. It's not overly complicated, but if you're not handy, you might need to hire a professional, which could add to your expenses. Overall, though, this ice maker head is a solid investment for any business that relies on a steady supply of ice. It's efficient, easy to maintain, and built to handle the demands of a commercial kitchen. If you're tired of constantly refilling ice or dealing with underpowered machines, this could be the solution you need. So if you're ready to upgrade your ice production, check out the link below. It's a reliable machine that's going to save you time and hassle in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. For most buyers, the real question is not whether commercial ice maker machine head only, 800 lbs/24H ETL commercial ice maker with self-cleaning, DOE&CEC energy efficient 48 hours timer, stainless steel ice maker for restaurant, bar, cafe, hotel sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like ETL approved efficient commercial grade ice maker featuring AI and smart control and easy operation, the smart LCD panel offers a range actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like commercial ice maker machine head only, 800 lbs/24H ETL commercial ice maker with self-cleaning, DOE&CEC energy efficient 48 hours timer, stainless steel ice maker for restaurant, bar, cafe, hotel usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.